So hopefully you guys can see in here. Well, it doesn't have walkthrough music. The guy put his own walkthrough music. All right, so looks like this place is called Raptor Ranch, and you can get in for $5 each. Also, I don't think I can pause this the way I did it, so we just gotta roll with it. We gotta go fast. All right. Well, some people do talking, some people don't. Okay, so you got a dinosaur, one of those big. These are usually like concrete. I don't know. They're really cool. And look, you can go inside of it. You can go up these little steps. You go up the little steps. Yeah, we'll hold hands. Let me, where's my hands? Wham! Boop. There you go. All right. So, and then it's a classic metal slide. A classic hot metal slide. I don't know what he's pointing at. I'm sure it was interesting. But man, you know that, first off, you know that thing is probably a bazillion degrees, because I don't know where this park is, but it just looks hot. It just looks hot. Like, you could tell me this is in the middle of desert, and I'd believe you. Oh, it's so janky and abandoned, but man, it looks so fun. All right, and let's see. Where are they going to take us next? Okay, so I guess this, just a random emu, I guess? Holy meat's claw at the park. And then you've got like these cool little bedrock like murals and rocks and everything. And I love like the bones made out of concrete on the top of the fence. And these murals, like I don't know how long this place has been closed, but like the paint on everything is held up super well. And then in the classic roadside attraction way, you've got these really awful statues that are creepy because, you know, they just probably get like, I don't even know how they make these monstrosities, but you got Pebbles and Bam Bam. You know, freakishly long Bam Bam. Slender Man Bam Bam. Say that 5 times fast. Slender Man Bam Bam. I'm thinking maybe someone's still maintaining the property, because surely they wouldn't just leave their animals there. And then we've got like the little cutouts for, oh my gosh, come on camera. You got the little tracking, and not the little tracking, the little cutouts where you take pictures of your faces. Oh, Caught by the Fred. That sounds awful. Maybe that's the original Five Nights at Freddy's. And then like this little gas station set up with the fake car, which is super cute. And what else? I didn't watch this whole video. I just skimmed through it to make it work, or like made sure it worked. And then you got, look at him. Look at him. Look at how like, oh, he's so awful, but so good. Oh my gosh, his egg is so shitty. Oh gosh, and look at this little car. Oh man. And like it's still got like it's fabric, which is really cool. So you get like the official like blowing in the wind. Like all the paint. I know it closed kind of recently-ish, but I hope they never tear. Oh, look, they're roasting meat outside. See, I got so excited that the camera fell off. Look at it. I wonder if it turns. I wonder if you can turn it. Hi, Ren. Oh, man, what is this? The restaurant? The grocery store. Look at it. Look how cool the building is. It's just like a real Flintstone building. You know, the Flintstones, they had a little, oh my gosh, look at it. Look at it. Look at the huge watermelon, like the huge, yes. Oh God, not that kind of spit roast. But like, look, and like a huge nest of dinosaur eggs just in the grocery store. Yeah, no, I want to buy this place. Like, look at it. This is a full scale grocery store. And like the fake flowers, like that's what it's like. It looks too newly abandoned. But I wish the little rooms were bigger so you could like turn it into hotels or something. Oh, what's this? The barber shop? Oh, beauty salon. Oh man. This paint, yeah, no, it's so impressive. Look at it. Like, look, you just go in this house. All the houses have curtains. They have, like, look, the beauty. Like, I just feel like if it was that abandoned, then, like, that stuff would be broken out. Because that's what people do. But look at, but most of the stuff can't be stolen because it's it's fucking concrete. But look, this is like a fully furnished house. And fully painted, and like everything's done in the aesthetic, and like they have pictures on the walls, and it doesn't have to have a lot of stuff in it because it's the Flintstones. Like, it just doesn't have to have a lot of stuff, but it has enough stuff. Ooh, look at there's like a different shaped roundhouse. It's kind of creepy how spread out everything is, but I guess, you know, if you're picturing a bunch of people being in there at once, the post office. Like, someone took time, even if these are concrete or whatever, someone took the time to do all of this. Like, it's so impressive. And the signs and just... Yes, this is my whole neighborhood. I can't believe it. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is the live stream, and I'm outside walking around right now. I'm recording this. But man, like, this place is just done to the top. And I hope when it was open that it got the love it deserved. But even still, seems like a really cool place to visit, and it's not like... As long as they don't just demolish it, all this stuff is still there. I don't know. I think the wheels are concrete. And then look, like, they had the big wheels. The jail. Let's see the jail. Oh, like the stone chairs and the stone... Like, oh, man. We were doing this first, Moth, because I wanted a break. But then we have to go... No, I'm not going to take you to Action Park and get you killed. Oh my, look at that! Look at that jail cell. That's the nicest jail cell. Yeah, the zebra curtains, everything. I don't want to watch you guys get killed at Action Park. Like, it is just so well done. And even if some delinquents went in there and like smashed the glass stuff and stole, I don't know. I think it's pretty recently abandoned. And maybe someone is kind of maintaining it. Look at the dentist! Look at the big teeth! Right, Bay Moth. But, I think even if, like, somebody came in there and, like, smashed the glass stuff up, like, it's still a really cool place to... It'd still be a cool place to go because you can't really ruin it. What? Like, you're gonna spray paint it? Like, that's nothing, you know? Also, that was a really, like, weird old lady, you know, like a Flintstones lady statue. Man, but look at this place. That's what Jenny Nicholson, I talked about her doing her video of this, and it's part of her giant spider road trip video. But she actually did get scared by the same statue in her video. And look at the schoolroom. Look, there's a teacher. There's a big rocky globe. Hey, Peony. I don't know how much longer the video tour has, but this place is just so cool. Oh my gosh, like, look at it. And I keep saying it, but I hope it'll last a really long time because everything is just rocks unless they just demolish it. Oh man, show me that cat's face. I bet it's really shittily painted. All the houses look really cozy. It's like a camera. Oh my gosh, look. So, like, you get to pretend like you're filming a Flintstones movie. Oh, look at his little face. It's so dopey. He's so cute. I think we should all just chip in and buy it and just live in it. There's so many houses. They're basically the same size as, like, a tiny house, right? Like, surely they're not that much bigger. Ooh, so they've got like a brick oven, maybe? I can't tell. That looks like meat. Fred's house! The Flintstone glory hole. Oh, it would be so rough. It'd be so rough. It'd be like sandpaper. The cat is... No, everything is so crazy. Like... just look at it. The bed with like the blanket. Like, I'm assuming that the fabric has to be... attached I mean, obviously it's attached, but just the way that like everything is not like destroyed or fucked up is really cool. I don't know who Rock Knight or Rock G are. Everything is so nice looking and in good condition. Whose house is this? Barney's house. So the Rubbles. Like, and look, they got the TV. I feel like we could do it. We could definitely, that's what we'll do. If the apocalypse happens, we meet here. Oh, duh. That, see, like, I'm so good at puns, and then that one goes over my head. I don't know. I've never played either of them. Man, look at this. CM Punk Rock's house. Oh, I've never been there either. Man. Is that more meat? I can't tell. I can't tell what the tube things are. Oh, I guess they're supposed to be mailboxes. The policeman's house. What about The Rock? Okay, yeah, we've heard of The Rock. And like, oh man, the radios. The TVs are so cool. Oh man, and look at the big rock frying pan. And then again, like another perfect condition bedroom. A lot of people have signed the table, but like people are weirdly respectful of this place. I was thinking when I was looking at the Bella Twins outfits the other night, when I was looking at the caveman ones, I was thinking about, man, I do kind of want to watch that movie. What is that booth thing? I hate when I don't know what the marketing plan was. Maybe they just wanted a shitty roadside attraction. I have no idea. It's way too cool. I don't know. And this is like tons of concrete. Okay, we get it. You can walk up the slide. The Scooby-Doo one is really good because of the John Cena entrance. I'm glad he's walking back towards this stuff. I hate when you're watching these videos and it's like, oh, I wish you'd turn. Like, that's the only thing that gets frustrating. I know. This place is so cool. Yeah, apparently the not the Flintstones, but oh man, look at the bone fences. I know. We gotta squat. Like, just live. Look at this. Just dinosaur running the gas station. Kind of a bootleg Dino. I didn't know there was a Wacky Racers WWE movie. And this is so much stuff. This is so, like, this is not, like, did the person who built this just have a passion for the Flintstones? Fred's Diner, patio seating, breakfast. Like, look at this. You've even got, like, the janky paintings that only exist in a daycare. I want to talk to someone who does cartoon murals for, oh, it's over. Well, that was that.